For years, the CH-7 existed as a promise. It appeared at major airshows as a sleek, futuristic shape, sparking questions but offering no real proof. Then, quietly, that changed. China's CH-7 unmanned aircraft lifted off for the first time, completing a successful maiden flight. With that single event, the project crossed an invisible line. It was no longer a concept or a display piece. It became a real, flying system, and that shift matters far more than it might first appear. The first flight of the CH-7 was not about spectacle or pushing limits. It was about confirmation. Engineers needed to know if a highly unconventional design could behave predictably in real airspace. The aircraft demonstrated autonomous ground movement, takeoff, stable flight, and landing, basic steps, but essential ones. For a flying wing platform without a traditional tail, this is especially challenging. Stability must come from software, sensors, and precise aerodynamic balance rather than from familiar control surfaces. What makes this achievement notable is how closely the aircraft's real behavior matched its simulations. That alignment confirms years of digital modeling and testing were accurate. It also reduces uncertainty, allowing developers to move forward with confidence into more advanced trials. Once a platform proves it can fly safely and reliably, everything else, performance testing, endurance trials, and system integration, can finally begin. The CH-7's shape tells its own story. Its flying wing design blends the body and wings into one smooth surface, minimizing sharp angles and exposed structures. This approach improves efficiency and makes the aircraft harder to track. Features like a top-mounted intake, carefully shaped exhaust, and clean surface treatment reinforce that philosophy. Every design choice points toward long-duration, high-altitude operation, and discretion rather than speed or visual presence. But the real importance of the CH-7 lies in what it is built to do. This aircraft is designed to observe, collect, and share information across vast areas. Equipped with optical and infrared sensors, it can monitor land and sea environments over extended periods. Its endurance allows it to remain on station, watching patterns develop rather than capturing brief snapshots. Just as importantly, it can relay data to other systems, supporting coordination and informed decision-making. The CH-7's first flight did not arrive with fanfare, but its meaning is significant. It marks the transition from ambition to execution, from design to reality. As testing continues, the aircraft will reveal more about its full potential. Yet even now, this milestone shows how the future of unmanned flight is being shaped by patience, precision, and the ability to stay present when it matters most. If you found this breakdown insightful, support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more deep dives into aerospace and advanced technology. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.